Well, I see my Bobcat's leaking a lot of oil. I haven't started it for a month. It's got a Wisconsin 4-cylinder engine. Yeah. So I'm gonna see if it start. See if the battery's charged up. Kind of start it up a little bit. It's kind of raining out, so I don't want to drive her out too much. But I got the key in it. But I gotta put the positive end on, or the negative end on, because the points stick. And plus, it could be a fire hazard. Alright. Alright, to start it, turn the key, pull the choke, and crank her.